Hello everybody, welcome to iExamP. Embrace the iExamP learning experience. IBP's RRB Scale 2 Law Officers notification is out. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail everything related to this recruitment. This is the RRB 13 recruitment process PDF. You can download this from the description below. Let's look at the important dates. You can fill the online application form from 7th of June to 27th of June. Then pre-exam training is from 22nd of July to 27th of July. Download of call letters for preliminary is in July or August. For single level examination, online exam is expected in September or October. Since for Scale 2 Law Officer, there is single level examination, your exam will be either in September or in October. Coming to eligibility criteria, for Officer Scale 2 post, age should be above 21 years and below 32 years. The cutoff date for the age is 1st June 2024. Now coming to education qualification and post-qualification experience, as on the last date of online registration, that is as on 27th of June 2024, for Specialist Officer Scale 2 Manager post for Law Officer, you should have a degree from a recognized university in law or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Also, you should have 2 years experience as an advocate, or you should have worked as law officer in bank or financial institution for a period of not less than 2 years. There are details related to credit history also. The candidate applying shall ensure that they have a healthy credit history at the time of joining of RRBs. For Officer Scale 2 Specialist Career Post, these are the various subjects that you will be seeing in the exam: professional knowledge, reasoning, financial awareness, Hindi or English में से एक subject, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. For every subject you will have 40 questions. The marks for English language and computer are 20 each. Every question is of half marks. For other subjects, every question is of 1 marks. The total paper has 240 questions of 200 marks. There is no sectional timing. There is a composite time of 2 hours 30 minutes. And there is no sectional cutoff as well. There is a penalty for wrong answers. 1/4 negative marking is present. Each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in each test of online single examination to be considered to be shortlisted for interview. Depending on the number of vacancies available, adequate number of candidates in each category, not exceeding 3 times of the declared vacancy, shall be called for interview. The total number of vacancies for Officer Scale 2 Law are 30. There are 30 vacancies. Various banks have reported their respective vacancies. Some banks have not yet reported the vacancies. So for these banks, reporting can be done on a later stage, and you may have more than 30 vacancies. For now, there are 30 vacancies in the legal stream. For other details, you can refer to this recruitment PDF attached in the description. If you have any questions, any queries, you can reach out to us on this number, or you can write them down in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.